90D31R. You can use for messy tractors. You can use for XQ 500, and you can use in DI range of tractors where N70Z type model 90D31R. This is 105D31R. This is 90D31R in 88 box type. This is N100 box. This is 80D31R. You can use in DI range. Okay. And also, if you have any inquiry, so please WhatsApp on 8824536524. I am repeating again, that is 8824536524.